Hey everyone, welcome back to the channel. So recently I've been seeing a lot of Gardenscapes players talking about this method that supposedly gives you unlimited stars and coins. I kept running into comments saying it works really fast and makes it way easier to finish levels, complete garden tasks, and unlock new areas without running out of resources all the time. At first, I honestly didn't know if it was actually real or just another thing people were overhyping online. But after seeing so many videos and posts about it, I decided to test it myself and see what really happens. So in this video, I'm going to go through the whole process step by step, show you everything I tried, and then at the end, we'll jump back into Gardenscapes together to see if anything actually changed on my account. The first step was finding my Gardenscapes player ID. So I opened the game, tapped into the settings menu, and went over to my profile section. The ID was there almost immediately, so it didn't take long to find it all. After that, I copied it and kept it ready because you need it for the next part of the process. Honestly, so far, everything was super easy and pretty straightforward. Next, I opened a browser on my phone. I used Chrome, but I'm pretty sure any browser would do the job. Then I entered the website people have been talking about recently. The site loaded normally without sending me through a bunch of random pages, which surprised me a little. The layout was straightforward and easy enough to figure out. After that, I went onto the website people were recommending and searched for the Gardenscapes stars and coins option. It showed up in the list pretty quickly, so I selected it and moved on. Next, I picked the device I'm playing on. I use Android, but there was also an option there for iPhone users too, and then I pasted my player ID into the box, checked everything carefully to make sure it was correct, and continued to the next step. Up to this point, the whole process was actually really smooth and didn't feel complicated at all. After that, I had to choose how much of the resource I wanted to add. Since this was supposed to be a real test, I picked one of the higher amounts to see if it would actually make any difference. The site then started showing loading screens and progress animations. It definitely looked convincing, although that alone doesn't really prove anything. Near the end, there was a quick verification step, which is pretty common on sites like this. I already completed that part earlier, so now let's get to the important part. This was honestly the part I was waiting to see the most. After I finished the whole process, I opened Gardenscapes again and checked my account to see if anything had actually changed, and almost immediately I noticed the extra stars and coins already showing up in the game. I didn't have to restart the app, wait for a refresh, or do anything extra. Everything appeared right away. I'm not going to lie, I really didn't expect it to happen that fast. But now you've seen the entire test from beginning to end, so you can decide for yourself what you think about it. If you've ever tried anything similar in Gardenscapes before, let me know in the comments because I'm curious how it worked out for other players. And if you enjoy these kinds of mobile game test videos, make sure to leave a like and subscribe because I'll probably be trying more stuff like this soon. Thanks for watching, and I'll catch you guys in the next video.